43.4 million. That is how many people are estimated to have bad credit in the U.S. alone. Is that you? Well, don't worry. It used to be me too. Hi, my name is Colin Brown from Embolden Solutions. And if you're a part of that number, we have a credit restoration program just for you. Are you tired of being denied for that dream home, new car, new apartment? Or maybe you just want to take a burden off you and your family's shoulders? Then sign up for our program that has helped hundreds of clients just like you. We have a 3-step process that we will help you build your credit, repair your credit, and educate you on credit so you can get on the other side and say bye-bye to bad credit. But you have to take action before we can help you. It's simple. Pull out your phone, desktop, or whatever you have and head over to our website, getembolden.com, and sign up for a consultation with us, and we will handle the rest from there. I'll see you on the other side. #GetEmbolden.